Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Rainbow Fish. 1, 2, 3! How many yellow scales does rainbow fish have? Can you count 1 orange starfish? 2? 1. How many orange scales does rainbow fish have? Can you count 2 purple clamshells? 2? 2. How many red scales does rainbow fish have? Can you count 3 purple sea urchins? 2? 3. How many pink scales does rainbow fish... Wait, hold on. It says 3, then it always goes to 5. How many pink scales, that's actually purple, how many purple scales does rainbow fish have? Can you count 5 conch shells? 2? 5. How many... Oh, now it's on 4. How many green scales does rainbow fish have? Can you count 4 orange and yellow seahorses? 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many purple scales, finally they're going to purple, how many purple scales does rainbow fish have? Can you count 6 green leaves? 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many blue scales does rainbow fish have? Can you count 7 blue fish? 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many purple scales again does rainbow fish have? Can you count 8 green prickly plants? 2? Looks like cacti inside of the ocean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many blue scales does rainbow fish have? Can you count 9 orange crabs? 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many silver scales does rainbow fish have? Can you count 10 pretty bubbles? 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!